I'm FARAZ for the SHIEKH advocate. I'm doing my LLM from University of Bedfordshire. My number is 2120439. Today the topic given to me is to select a topic for the research work, law dissertation. The dissertation is an exposition, exploration, basis on understudies and discoveries with deep legal research and studies. The research topic I have selected is alternate dispute resolution in taxation system. This is an arguable subject that needs to be spoken about. It will contain a singular articulation. The topic, the role of alternate dispute resolution in taxation system. The subject I have chosen keeps in my mind my interest in it, the detailed study material I have, my longest experience in the field, and the need for time to elaborate on the vastness of the topic. Literature review, I will compose the collected data and examine my investigation and will try to address every corner of the subject. For that very purpose, I understand that there are 5 indispensable stages to making a composing review. Search for significant composition, evaluate sources, identify themes, debates, and gaps, outline the plan, and I will write my literature review in the end. I will not only just summarize sources, but I will also include assessments, coordinates, and essentially surveys to give an undisputable picture of the state of the data in regard to the matter. In the next part, my aim is this subject must be wide known. I will fill in the missing affiliation that are required to be addressed. I will going on the subject. I will keep an open eye for the so far neglecting parts. My research work will not be hypothetical or traditional. It will be far-reaching and will be helpful for the tax executives, tax consultants, taxpayers, and judiciary as well. The observation that I will gather the real factors and assessments of real factors about the topic in actuality. I will do the theoretical approaches. I will talk over the authenticity of different thoughts and speculative approaches. I will gather guidelines. I will research system approaches. I will study that how many ongoing areas for legitimate rule reflect the development of the government plans in the system of alternate dispute resolutions. I will do a comparative study with other countries, and I will also differentiate the ADRC with other systems. The justification of research, my recommendation will sort out the central focuses and questions that will coordinate with my investigation. The questions were in my mind to select the research topic, that it is the need of the time. The alternate dispute resolution committees in taxations are formed to court resolution of tax issues. There are many flaws in the mechanism. So to improve the system and to be helpful for the structure, I selected this topic. Later my suggestion would cut out an open door to thinking about that I will attempt to cater. I will use the 2 approaches. There are 2 different approaches, qualitative and quantitative. The assessment would be experience and research based, like the legislations, the specific rule and regulation, the amendments on the subject, the problem which are facing by the revenue board, taxpayers, applicants are, the courts including tribunal, high court, supreme court, etc. I will gather all the data for the better results, hopefully. I selected this topic because I know it is known for the broad topic. There are gaps and missing links. I need to address these missing links. This will increase the revenue of the country, and this will definitely minimize the cost of the collection of revenue. The importance of research, this would be an investigation recommendation. Hopefully, it would be a brief and sound blueprint of my selected research. It sets out central issues, questions, and solutions that I hope to address. It approaches the general area of concentration inside which my investigation falls, implying the current status of data and any new conversation regarding the matter. The core area of subject would be the system, it includes workflow as well, the flaws which are required to be removed. Then later I will discuss the object, my primary aim. What is my primary aim? The next, the necessity of time. Necessity of time is to avoid litigities, to avoid the cost of the litigations. Then the revenue, yes, to cut short the huge expenses of litigation and to increase the revenue of the country. Then I will, the research work, I will, the working title would be, initially I will say, introduce it. My introduction, the preface on the subject, the background, the history of the subject, the substantive issues, yes, the considerable and significant expenses, summary conclusions, precise synopses, outlines. Then I will get the final conclusion, my final verdict. Thank you very much.